everyone. This is Faith, Hope, Love, and Vegan, and I'm here with Hannah, and today we are making pizza pockets. We're using the Trader Joe's whole wheat pizza dough. This comes in the refrigerator section, and it's super easy to use, and it's extremely delicious. And we're going to roll it out and put it in our cool little empanadilla maker and fill it with our favorite vegan toppings. And this is a vegan meal that even a meat eater would love. What do you think?
Yeah.
All right, so I just start with a little bit of whole wheat flour on my countertop and put it on my rolling pin. And I just took a small little ball of dough here because I just want to get it in a nice circle shape so that it fits onto my mold. And sometimes it likes to do what it wants to do. All right, so now that I've got my dough, I'm just gonna lay it over my mold and kind of stretch it out. And then my assistant here is going to, Hannah, tell us what you're gonna do first. Do you remember what goes first?
The sauce goes first.
Okay, what are you gonna do?
One more.
Okay, thank you. And then what do we have for toppings? That's good, Hannah.
Now we have to roll it around.
Okay.
First sauce.
What do you have?
I have chicken that I'm getting right now.
That's a little bit of Gardein chicken.
Some Gardein chicken. Now I'm putting some cheese.
And this is the Whole Foods plant-based cheese. It's new, it's really delicious. What do you have there?
These are some mushrooms.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm getting some olives.
Uh-huh.
And we're putting some of this on.
Yep. What is that?
These are peppers.
Mm-hmm. And anything else? Is it good?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes, okay.
There's no tomatoes on here yet.
Okay. And then
I'm going to do this.
okay. So we close it up, right?
Now we peel the dough off.
Mm-hmm. Some leftover dough. Got it? Okay. And then we just sprayed our cookie sheet with a little bit of olive oil. And I'm gonna take this pizza pocket out of my container and set it here on the pan.
With the rest of the pizza pocket.
To cook with the rest of the pizza pockets. We'll cook it at 450 degrees for about 12 minutes. And then we'll serve it with some pizza sauce to dip. Okay, we have the finished product here. The pizza pockets are ready to eat.
Our finished pizza pocket, and I'm going to be trying it. Pretty yummy.